Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you different ways to style your Fulani braids. If you're one of those girls that rock your braids like this every damn time, then this video is for you. So let's get right into it. The first hairstyle we're going to be doing in this video is a simple updo. I make sure I wrap everything up into a ponytail, and then I wrap my ponytail into a bun. After I do that, I just like to bring out some curls just to give it a little bit of extra, like something extra to work with. And this is the final look. I love it so much. It's so simple yet so elegant, and you can literally rock it to an occasion. The next one is a large bantu knot. So I'm going to be doing 4 bantu knots, so 4 big bantu knots, and I'm just wrapping a little bit of hair around each other. For this hairstyle, you don't need pins, you don't need rubber, you just need to wrap it as it's going to stay put. And I'm just leaving out curls because I know that leaving out curls for me just takes the hairstyle to another level. It just gives it like something nice to work with. So I just like to leave out some curls after I do, like, especially when I'm wrapping it, I like to leave out curls. So I'm just wrapping it and leaving out curls. And mind you, I'm not wrapping everything up, so I'm going to leave like a little half down. You see it in the video, but you can literally rock it like this, or even decide to wrap everything up. But I like to like do half up, half down with my bantu knots. And I can also take a little piece that I left out, and I can also take it and just simply bring it to the front. It literally turns the hairstyle into another hairstyle. So this is the third hairstyle that I'll be working with, or let's say the fourth if we're counting the half down. And if you're someone that you're not really sure if it's going to stay put, you can use bobby pins to pin it, and this is it. So the next hairstyle is going to be the claw clip hairstyles, but I think this hairstyle is a build-up hairstyle. So I start with wrapping my hair as a low ponytail like you're seeing in the video, and then I just take one curl and I use crochet to bring it to the front. For when I'm working with bowl braids, I like to play around with the curls because it just, you know, gives the hairstyle, just makes the hairstyle really nice, and it just makes it really cute. Also, if you don't want to use a claw clip, you can just take a rubber band and wrap it just the way I did, but it's just going to, the only thing is that it's going to fall a little bit. It's going to be a low claw clip hairstyle. I don't know how to call it a claw clip hairstyle because I'm not even using a claw clip, but if you want to use an actual claw clip, then you can just clip it to, let's say, the middle of your hair, just anywhere you feel like you want it to stay. And this is the hairstyle. I love it so much. Then you can use coilala. It's coilala. I use coilala in the video just to make the curls pop more. I just like to use coilala when I'm working with curls because it just makes the curls more defined, and it makes the curls look way better. This is the hairstyle, so nice and so cute, and it's literally something that you can do in very few minutes and go with it. The next hairstyle is a build up of this hairstyle. After I use my claw clip, I just leave a little bit to the side of my hair like a droppings, and then I take the rest of the hair and I just wrap it around in a small bun. I'm someone that when I do my buns, I really do not mind leaving them, but if you're someone that you don't feel it's secure enough, you can use pins to pin them down so they do not move. The last hairstyle I'm going to be showing you guys is what I call the bow hairstyle. So it's basically me replicating a bow but on my hair, and this is one of my favorite hairstyles because it's just really nice, cute, and it just elevates one's look. And I love to do this when I'm dressed in like a very simple outfit because it just adds to the outfit. Basically, I'm going to try to explain this hairstyle the best way I can, but please just watch and see what I'm doing. So basically, I divide it into 3 parts. I make the middle one like a little bit smaller, maybe 2 to 3 or 4 braids, and then I just take the 2 sides and I wrap it like the way I'm going to be wrapping a bow, like if I want to like make a bow. And I take the one in the middle, the one in front, and I try to wrap it around it and take it underneath it. For the back, I just twist everything. I twist everything together and I take it underneath the bow. I wrap it around the bow underneath, and I carefully do this. I just try not to like scatter my bow basically, but I'll still, you know, structure it and try to like make it form that bow shape. This is basically the hairstyle. It's so nice, it's so cute, it's really easy to do. but you just have to, you know, get the technique and know how to maneuver it basically. And this is the hairstyle. So if you are one of those people that you're not sure if it's going to like loosen or anything of that sort, you can use bobby pins to hold it down, and this is it. So I hope you guys loved every hairstyle I showed you, and I hope you guys will try out this hairstyle. So thank you so much for watching. If you stayed to the end, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment your favorite hairstyle, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next one. Bye.